can broadly be classified into four categories: the print media, the audio media, the video media, and the IT, information technology. The print media can further be divided into periodical and non-periodical. The non-periodical print media are the leaflets, the pamphlets, the booklets, the books. The periodical print media are newsletters, newspapers, magazines, which are printed either daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, biannually, or annually. The audio media, it can be stored. Previously, audio cassettes were there, which today is obsolete. Today, the audio is more stored on audio compact disc, on DVDs, on pen drives. It can be used at individual level, on a group level, or a public level. Individual level, if you have a desktop in your house or your office, an audio equipment, a desktop model, you can listen to it individually in your house or in your office. You can listen to it while moving, while walking, while running, on a Walkman, on a Discman. It can be used in a vehicle, while traveling in a car, in a bus, in a train, in a plane, with the audio equipment fitted in the vehicle. You can listen to it on a group level in gatherings, in social gatherings, in family gatherings, in weddings, on different occasions. It can be used on a public level through the broadcast, through the radio broadcast. Each media has a different impact. The third category is the video media. Earlier we had the video cassette, which is obsolete now. Now we have the DVD, digital video disc. You have the HD DVD, high definition DVD. Now the latest is the Blu-ray. The media is keeping on changing. What was best earlier has today become obsolete. Every year, new media is coming up. On the professional level, what we had earlier, Umatic is outdated, DVCam is outdated, digital betacam is outdated. Now you have the high definition, the lower level 420, higher level 422, 444. It's keeping on advancing. This, like the audio media, can be used on an individual level with a desktop model, a DVD player in your house, in your office. It can be used while moving. It can be used in a vehicle, in a car, in a bus, in a train, in planes, and now it's available. The media is keeping on advancing. Previously, when we used to travel in a plane, there was only one option. One movie was shown to everyone. Now, you have got channels. You have got in your seat option of more than 100 channels, which you can choose which you want to see. It's advancing. It can be used in a group level in functions on the screen. It can be used on a public level through telecasting, whether through the cable TV network, satellite channels, through the TV broadcast stations. Media is advancing. Technology is improving. What we required previously, the bandwidth for a channel, now you require much less. And what expensive it was earlier to run a satellite channel, now it has become cheaper. The fourth media is the IT, information technology. And this incorporates all the other media in it. The computer, the internet, can be used through blogs, through websites, through Facebook, through Twitter, WhatsApp, Viber, everything. Today, the maximum advancement is made in the information technology. Every week, every month, new format is coming up. New ways of communication is coming up. And information technology is incorporating the print media. You can have the newspapers on the internet. You can have the magazine on the internet. You can have the books on the internet. You can have the audio on the internet. You can have the video on the internet. You can have movies on the internet. So IT media is advancing very fast and is overtaking all other media. Each media has its importance. As far as the print media is concerned, today research tells us that if an average human being reads any material, he retains about 10% of what he has read. If an average human being hears something, he retains about 20% of what he has heard. If average human being sees something, he retains 30% of what he has seen. And if an average human being sees and hears a video, audio, visual put together, two senses are involved, hearing and seeing, an average human being retains about 50% of what he has seen and heard together. So in all the three media, the video media, the audio, visual put together has the maximum impact of retention. In